had our TCN AI Tech Summit today in Birmingham. It's been such a fantastic day. These events are really important to TCN to get everybody together for networking, face-to-face opportunities, and to look at the platform and the future of the platform together as a whole.
I'm Darren Rogers, Strategic Operations Manager for Overdales Legal. Been a client of TCN now for about 4 years. So I found today really informative. It was really useful to see what's on the roadmap for the future AI development within TCN, as well as networking with other people using the platform and sharing best practice.